Guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Today, Mr. Vineet, one of the major pillars of our college, is missing because he has gone to the class. Apparently, due to shortage of attendance, he had to attend classes. So, Mr. Sudanwa will be.
I'm back today.
The most sweetest person I have ever seen in South India is Mr. Sudanwa. So.
From North India, I guess it is Sudhir.
No, from Telangana it is Dheeraj.
Telangana. I'm Andhra.
From Andhra it is Dheeraj.
But born and brought up in Bengaluru.
ಮತ್ತ ನೀನು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆಂಧ್ರನು ನಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹುಡುಗರು. ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹುಡುಗರು.
ನಮ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಾನು ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀನು ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ಇದೆ?
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಥಿರಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ.
ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟದಾಗಿಂದ
ಸ್ಥಿರಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ, ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಎಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುಳ ಅಂತ.
ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, the thing is, these type of people create unwanted hype towards people and make sure that they get bitty PR.
Nothing like that. I'm just telling the truth.
No guys,
house, you can see it is not house, but it is home.
No guys, this guy is telling lies. He is very one of the most fake person. This allegation. So guys, today, I mean, yesterday I realized something which is very, very, very hard to digest for me. Yesterday we did the vlog in iPhone, as we had multiple cuts and pauses in our video.
But the thing is, this fucking guy will get 2 calls in every 1 second.
Yeah. The thing is,
so I would recommend him to change the SIM card. No.
Yeah, to make my iPhone as my primary phone and this phone as the.
That's what I'm telling from day 1, day 0, day Aryabhatta.
Yeah.
But this guy.
Hey, how dare you talk Aryabhatta? I mean, consider Aryabhatta as zero. He is the founder of zero, not zero himself.
So,
hey, that guy is wearing Samay Raina like shirt. Shout out to Samay Raina. So guys, today our college is very active. I don't know why. Apparently it's a Wednesday. By this time, people should have left the college. There is some issue today, I think.
nothing issue, but we have some event today. But actually our department has done is every Wednesday after lunch
We shouldn't have classes
programs,
actually.
okay? So that's the unsung rules in our college. But this semester,
Hey, Ansangal was Sangrul.
yeah, it is a sung rule. Yeah, but this semester we have college till 4:20 p.m.
And that on a Wednesday. What the
On
hell is
Wednesday.
wrong with these people?
And on Thursday, first to
Ours is Kali, it seems.
no, there are weekends. So on Friday,
Hey, where is this?
only first two periods are working.
Yeah, correct.
So the one who did timetable has either used Mysore Mall or Tumkur Mall or Hubli Mall.
Hey, people know him from the last video. So guys, now what we strongly feel today, actually we had a very emotional moment in our college, in our class. People have yeah. So today in our class we had a very emotional moment due to the action of a few people.
But I recommend not to disclose it. because
No,
it's very
I'm not
exclusive to
disclosing
mechanical.
it completely, but we have to be open because it's a very important thing which happened in our. Come man, what is these people? Dustbin is here only, can't put one.
See, you guys think that our college produces engineers, but
We produce emotional people.
our college produces zero civic sense, fucking
I
Indian.
consider myself as a zero civic Indian in this campus.
And this guy deliberately led us around the campus. If you ask why, he'll tell that Acha, this is not equivalent to Rajai Nagara. So I will later this guy tell. Being an RCBN, this is not accepted.
This is not accepted. So I'm
And
also trying to think.
to the guys who are seeing this cap, it's a very very emotional and very
Exclusive.
exclusive cap, which is bought in 2000.
So guys, if we stand and this guy sits, we are almost the same.
Yeah, this is manufactured in 2009. Official Reebok. Okay.
ಏ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡೋ ಸಾಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕುಯ್ತ್ಯಾ
We also have.
ಸಾಕದ್ಮೋ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೂ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ
True Kannada Cinefield. True Cine Award.
movie.
This guy doesn't know the movie name. Talks about.
ಏ ಐ ನೋ ದ
It is called
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್
ಒಂದು ಸರಳ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಕಥೆ in Kannada. I mean in English. It is called Simple ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ.
ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಏಯ್ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
Why I am trying to
ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದಟ್
ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell the gist. We did something wrong. And
we
then
know
people.
someone did something wrong. From that whole
Class
got affected.
We
Through
should.
that, the guy who affected it
Who got affected?
self-realized. Now he is babbling. So the thing is, at the end of the day, both the group and the guy who implemented it got affected. Who is laughing above? They are laughing.
The thing is, guys, never get influenced by others' thoughts. Sudanva might say a lot of things to me, but I don't get affected by what he says.
Or
That
else
should
you
be
will
the
become a
mindset.
fool.
Don't get affected by your feed also. From your patrons, they send you very think. Why
ಏಯ್
bro?
ಯಾವನೋ ನಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆ ಕಿತ್ತಾಕೋದು ಜೀವನನೇ ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ
ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆ ಹಸಿರಾಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೌದು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇದಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ
ಧನ್ವನ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದೆಯೋ
ಈ ಸಾಕು 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 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇವ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗಾಡಿಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು
ಕಾಲಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
ಅವನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ಈ ತರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡು.
ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
ಅವ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋ ಹಂಗಿತ್ತೆ
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡು
ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯ
ಜಲ್ದಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಎಲೆದು ಕ್ರಶ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಟ್ ASMR ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗೈಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ಸೇಸ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರ್. A babbler is a bird actually, but he is also a babbler.
ಸೊ ಯಾ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಲೀಫ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಡ್ರೈ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್.
ನೀನು
ASMR.
ಬೈಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ತು
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಚ್ಚ ಅದೇ ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೊಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಹುಡುಗಿರು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಲೋ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಈ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಈ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಬಟ್
ಆಯ್ತು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಮಾಡು.
ಚಿಕಾ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೊಳೆಯೋ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ?
ಲೋ, ನಾನು
ಯಾವ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡ ಆಯ್ತು
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ಚಿಕಾ ತೊಳೆಯೋ ಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ದರಿದ್ರ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹಲ್ಕಟ್ ತರ ಕೈನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಆಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕಳ್ಳನ್ನು.
The thing is, guys, I don't have the premium version of KineMaster, and this guy's Telegram is gone.
ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾನು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
You have KineMaster Premium?
ಬೇರೆ ಐತಲ್ಲ
ಯಾವುದು?
ಬೇರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು
Premium ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಐತೆ.
The thing is, guys, I have VN sent by Mr. Sudanva Rao, but the problem with VN is
He is not used to VN. That's it.
hey, no man, actually I tried. The video did not get loaded onto VN. That's what.
VN is the most supported thing.
It was 33 minutes, one video, 6.1 GB.
Your phone is lagging.
My phone has 8 GB RAM.
Where are we
1
going?
GB.
Where are we going?
We are going to Uncle to eat watermelon.
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಐತಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ
Only papaya.
ತಿನ್ ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನು
I have papaya.
ತಿನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಗೈಸ್ the thing is
This game will eat kallanggadi. I should not eat paparangi. What is this? Yesterday these guys are babbling for not knowing 2 to 3 Kannada words.
Yeah.
Kannada में इतने Kannada में सत्या.
Yeah.
But English condition they were not able.
Hey, I told
I
no,
told
man.
And the
I
guy
even
didn't get convinced.
See guys,
We need to
I
tell
told
translate
yesterday Kannada is Satya, Kannada with means Kannada is the truth, Kannada is every day.
every day.
That is what I said. He was
Satya
not,
means actual meaning guys. Kannada is constant. That is the actual meaning.
but
Kannada is
Nityotsava
every day.
song, in Nityotsava song, Nitya means every day.
In Kannada, that's the beauty of Kannada. Every word has
That's
very,
the
very
beauty of
multiple meanings.
almost all the South Indian languages.
I am
each
talking
one-
particularly with respect
I
to
am
Kannada.
talking in general because all the South Indian
You know why
languages
he's
have-
batting like this? Because his roots is from Telugu.
Guys, I know
Kadapa
zero
dikke-
Telugu.
Kadapa ದಿಕ್ಕಿನವರು. These guys are from Kadapa ದಿಕ್ಕಿನವರು. So ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Guys, if you find this bloody guy in Srirampura, chapli ತಗೊಂಡು hit him. So guys, I am going to uncle after a very long time. Hi uncle. ಆಯಿತು ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 weeks ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನ್. ಸೊ as per the season, I currently like watermelon.
ನೀನು?
ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ. So guys, this is one of the most homely feeling I get in our college. So ಅಂಕಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೂಂದಿ ಕೊಡಿ. బూందీ
మనోడు వీడియో తీస్తుండే హాయ్ చెప్పండి. మనోడు వీడియో తీస్తుండే హాయ్ చెప్పండి.
ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂಕಲ್. ಅಂಕಲ್ ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅಂಕಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್.
ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು.
ಯಾ ಅಂಕಲ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ರಫ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಬರ್ತಾರ?
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
100-150 ಜನದ ಬದಲು ಒಂದು 250 ಜನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರ
ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಸೂಪರ್ ಬೇಕಾ
ಹಂಗೆ. So Mr. Srinivas is back on the vlog. So this is going on YouTube, Mr. Srinivas. No, video ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Even Santosh will be coming.
Sriram.
Yeah, hi Sriram. How are you doing?
Thanks.
So Mr. Srinivas is the pillar of our college. Ayyo.
Surya is our main pillar.
Ay, Sunina.
We are just supporting.
JD boss. Yeah.
YouTube channel ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಅಚ್ಚಾ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೀನಾಗಿ ನೀನೇ ಹುಡ್ಕೋದು ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. ಏನು ಇದಾನೋ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನೇ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಒಂದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ತವ ಮಾತಾಡು. ಅವನೇ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗರ್.
ಧೀರಜ್ ವರ್ಮಾ. Hi ಧೀರಜ್.
ಹಾಯ್.
How are you?
ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡು.
How are you?
ನಾನು ಫೈನ್.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೋ.
So guys, this is Sudanva eating fruits.
Eat fruits. Stay hydrated. See, this guy always cuts my neck. Yeah.
Because I'm focusing on the food.
Eat healthy. Stay hydrated.
Surya having watermelon in this hot summer.
ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನ್ ಅಡೆ ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಪಲ್ ಅಡೆ.
See, I still use apple. Can I explain about dental? Yesterday he was telling about dental. Good. That's the dental college. People come all over the state here because it is quite cheap and good work. It's
ನಾಟ್ ಚೀಪ್ ಗೈಸ್.
quite cheap compared to
ನಾಟ್
others.
ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಚೀಪ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಮನಿ.
Maybe.
It's like buzzword, guys. We have to always use buzzword. In recruitment, when people want to hire sales executives, they go and put business development associate, business development analyst, something like that.
But what they do? Sales. Pure sales.
The thing is, guys, people should start liking sales because sales folks are the people who bring in actual business to the company.
Everyone has their equal share in.
Okay, I'll tell you. Listen, I'll tell you one logic.
If HR is not there, the inner, the company's,
Culture.
won't be nice. Alva? So, as said in Bhagavad Gita, everyone's
Shout out
share
to
of
Ditto,
work
I
should
saw
be
you.
done by everyone.
Shout out to Ditto. I saw an opening for the role of HR. If it would be available in the future, please, I am available, open to work.
It's available
Yeah, for work.
only for work. Disclaimer.
The thing is, guys, this guy is a very good editor. He's a very good photographer, videographer.
But I am no way into this channel. I am just a presenter here. But rather than presenter,
The thing is, guys, even though he is into editing, I got him 2 orders, but both did not get executed. That is different thing. That's because of the operational friction between you and the client. So, guys, sales. If you don't know to sell yourself, you don't know
I'll tell
anything.
you one thing. This guy is babbling about trying to sell from 10 minutes. But this guy is into supply chain, but not sales. The work is
I'm
doing
into
but the-
supply chain sales.
Yeah. Again, sales has different aspects.
Actually, I saw one company which is into supply chain. It's called Roado. ROADO. No, ROADO.
Rodeo.
Roado. So, if the company anyone sees by mistake, please put your company pronunciation on LinkedIn. And
Pronunciation can be done using any Indian languages so that it can be pronounced how it has to be pronounced.
so,
Actually, I'm used to the camera which is always here. So actually I'm not looking at the camera now. That makes the viewers bit
Yeah.
awkward.
so it makes
Sorry.
us.
Yeah.
I saw a few companies which are into supply chain SaaS, procurement SaaS, kind of. So if anyone from those kind of companies are saying available to work,
This guy is saying
Open to work.
from work till 10 minutes again.
selling myself, guys.
See, the beauty of the vlogs we are doing is uncut, unfiltered, unedited. Actually, due to some corporate strike, we had to mute our audio. Other than that, we have not added anything, written anything.
Hey, that song is ra ra Rasputin.
Hey, ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು?
When you had been to the washroom, Vinith played Rasputin song. We
Okay.
got copyright strike. Not
Okay,
copyright strike.
Copyright infringement or something like that, which can be negotiated.
I've sent you again.
You sent the photo, but I didn't
I
understand.
don't know why.
The thing is, guys, it can't be monetized. What is the use if it can't be monetized?
As if he's earning lakhs of from a video.
Not now. Maybe in the-
In future,
Maybe.
Video, if you don't monetize, what will happen?
Why should you do like that?
Anyway, you're doing because
guys,
The thing is,
thinking
now I
watermelon
have
juice.
decided, actually, not completely decided, but this thought has become deep rooted in my mind that I need to shift my main phone to iPhone. I should have done it before it started.
handing over the camera to Surya.
Why?
You continue.
You have any other work? kind of banta.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ನಾನೇನು
Hey,
ಬ್ರೋ
you are
ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ
you are a main pillar, one of the main pillar. You are the whitest pillar.
ನಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
you might have noticed our channel name, Helio, also known as Helio. Why Helio?
Hey, don't take names.
Helio. Why? If you translate
Sudanva, you need to pay. I'm vlogging on my phone. I'll send you later. Later means not later means later. Send you now itself after the vlog is done. So guys, why are we vlogging at this particular time? So, hey, pay man. Pay. Watermelon glass 30 rupees or 20 rupees I guess. Hey, you have 30 extra means take one bundi.
ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂಕಲ್.
Hi uncle. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್, ನಾನು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಂಕಲ್. ನಾನು ಇವ್ರ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಕಲ್ ರೂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಸ್ಸೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಸೊ 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಾ? ವಾ ಅಂಕಲ್, ನಿಂಗೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ 60 ಆಯ್ತಾ? 58 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವೇನು ಕೊಡೋದು ನಾನೇ ಇಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಸೂರ್ಯ
ಹಾಂ
ಒಂದು ಬೂಂದಿ
ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ಮನೆ 44 ವರ್ಷ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಒಂದು ಬೂಂದಿ,
ಏನು ಬೂಂದಿ?
ಇದು ಬೂಂದಿ ಮಸಾಲ. ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಂಕಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು.
ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೀ ಬೂಂದಿನೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಬೂಂದಿ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೂಂದಿ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಏಯ್ ವಿನೀತ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
ಇವನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಯಾರೋ ಇವನು
ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಫೋನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲೋ ನೀನು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ
ಹ್ಞೂ
ಇವನೇ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋ.
One thing which happened positively for changing from Airtel to BSNL was
ಎಸ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಎಸ್ ವಿನೀತ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಡೆಂಟಲ್
ads ಬರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದು.
ಅಂಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ. ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಯಾ ಕಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್.
So Mr. Vineet
ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ.
is on the way. So Uncle Kara ಕಡಿಮೆ.
I will tell about destiny to the audience.
Destiny.
Guys, see how destiny works. One of my I had lent around 1,500 rupees to my friend long before. Yesterday, you know, from nowhere he called me and asked me, "Macha, how are you?" I told, "Oh, nice." He told, "Macha, you remember?" I told, yeah. He sent me. The moment he sent me,
He spent it.
I spent. Where did I spend? You will tell.
So he has already booked his. Guys, welcome back to the Vineet.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ನೋಡು, ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂಕಲ್. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. What happened in the class?
Huh?
What happened in the class?
Nothing, going and coming.
Continue.
Sudarna is asking his best friend.
ಅವನನ್ನ ಕುಳ್ಳ ತರ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ. ಏ ತಿಕ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ.
ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ? ಸಾರಿ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಳಯ್ಯ?
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯಗೆ ಈಗ ಫೋನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಹಾ
ನೀನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಹಾ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಾನು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓ ಹಂಗೆ.
ಸೊ ಹುಡುಗಿರ ಗೆಸ್ ಮೈ ಹೈಟ್.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಜೆಂಡರ್.
I don't address them.
I don't consider.
I don't address them.
So just in case if you are born a transgender.
Hey,
Nobody will born a. This guy is doing portrait shit.
ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು.
So this fruit punch is tasting like a rasayana for me.
The last person I asked Beka is Vineet.
Because he's like Beku.
बेकयाली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल है तेरा.
Someone is calling himself Beku.
So guys, now you know.
ಒಂದು ಬೂಂದಿ ಮಸಾಲ.
See guys, please wear shampoo and wash the head. Otherwise dandruff will happen. So guys, please.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So
I'll be doing it.
I mean,
ನಾಳೆ
I started something yesterday, which will take 30 days to
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
give its result. Can you guys hear it? Yesterday I started something which requires 30 days for the output.
30 days.
After 30 days,
Passing your
These
first
guys-
exam.
no, these guys
Huh.
will enjoy what I have done.
What have you done?
Edit, some edit.
No.
I completed.
No, bro. A very nice thing. I mean, I'm sure Surya will like it. These two will also like it. But since Surya is more inclined to those things, he will love it, I guess.
Did you invest in gold?
Then
It is something edible.
edible.
That's what I can give a hint.
I got it.
And it requires 30 days. That's the
30 days. huh?
damaged hint.
You are trying to make wine, huh?
I'm already in the process.
Oh,
So it is
okay.
already not grape wine, something different.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, can you please bring a toothpick for me? Or spoon? No, leave. I'll take this.
Dheeraj, please come back.
Dheeraj, it's okay.
Fermentation, you're letting it for 30 days.
Why don't you start a brewery?
Why don't you
The
sponsor
thing
1
is,
crore?
It is not a wine. It is
Wine.
probiotic drink, but it does not contain.
Kombucha.
Yeah, it's a type of kombucha actually, but it does not contain so much of alcohol as beer or wine. Actually, wine has highest number of alcohol.
No.
In the normal what they do brewing,
no.
those thing wine contains pretty much,
Whiskey is brewing or not?
but it is very too much of distillation,
43%.
right? Too much of distillation. I'm not talking about that. That's what I'm getting. So this is not alcoholic drink. It's a very probiotic drink.
Drink like alcohol, that's it, friend.
So it will be very nice taste it will have after 30 days. These guys will tell you the review.
Yes, Mr. Sudhanva, I heard you are giving up on the plan of and
One more thing.
Can you
Since
please
our
buy
guy
it?
has asked this, I'm telling you guys, I'm not giving up. I'm in. Yeah,
Are you in?
I'm in. But I'm not sure will my car be in.
That won't be an issue.
That won't be help. See, friends,
you will be
people
in.
make
That's
that
what I want.
people make the trip powerful, not the facilities. Please understand this. And everyone who is planning to go to Goa, I want to go in this express only, that express car. Please go to Majestic bus stand, board the
Again,
bus
telling-
and go.
I'm in. I'm not sure about the car. Again, car can be sure.
Life will give
Give me a
gifts in its own way.
phone. Do you have cash or phone?
I don't have anything, I guess.
60 rupees comes on give. I can't stop the vlog.
Love.
Hey, do multitasking, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Stop.
Wait, I will do one thing.
60 rupees, tikka muchkon give one.
Give man.
I don't have that much, bro. I know
60
yesterday.
rupees you
Wait,
don't
I
have.
will check
18
in
rupees I
my.
have.
Huh?
But a full bulking I told in Lagul.
60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ you don't have.
Seriously, don't have. 18 rupees or 16 rupees I have.
I request the students of our mechanical department to let's have the lunch early so that we don't get scolding from respective particular.
I already had my lunch. I have to do my.
This is your lunch?
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Send you man, don't die.
I know.
How much, man?
68 is there.
68.
Oh.
See, friend, this Surya is accusing me. I will die regarding money and all. What a bad accuse.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟಿಗೆ. The thing is, guys, now the college has become very monotonous and
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Uncle, bye. Come on, guys, let's go.
Where's my
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಳ್ಕೊಂಬ.
Where is your?
Where's my scooter?
There.
My hubby is there.
Okay. You both go walking like this. I
You
and
both
him will
will go
go
get the box.
get the gaadi.
What?
You both go like this walking.
Why?
My bag is there, his bag is okay.
Where is his bag? I don't know. You
It's
know?
there, he knows.
Hey, bro. Samadhi karte.
Go man.
Okay, come there.
You come man. So guys, again welcome back to Dheeraj.
Welcome back to Surya also.
So we are now in front of the Mechanical Engineering Sciences block.
One of the most
Please,
disgusting block.
Please fill your eyes with the view of the department. Yes, when I joined engineering, I had a few dreams. I don't think any of it will come true. No, guys, a few of them have come true. Let us see.
Like example?
Hey, no man, example should not be quoted again.
Okay.
I know, I can quote one. I got some friends. This boy, Sudhana, nice friends. Comes to everything. Gand, everything. So, some teacher is taking the class. Which teacher? So, the teacher who is taking the class is KMK sir. He is one of the teachers who teaches very well in our college. So he has a very commanding knowledge over his subject, and yeah, as per my knowledge, he is a very good teacher.
Most valuable professor in our college.
We can state that as well. So we are near Mr. Wineat's
Parking lot.
Gadi. So you can continue with the vlog. And I will start the Gadi.
Yes, guys.
That will be shown in his password itself. Don't show the Gadi name, man.
No.
I mean number. Oi. Sorry man, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry,
Sorry.
So guys, today we came in Sudhanva's Gadi, not the Pulsar. The pending Gadi we came.
How many gadi? Jupiter, Pulsar.
Jupiter, Pulsar. Jupiter is his sister. Pulsar is his brother. Pending is his father.
He has a brother.
Sister also. One sister is younger.
Okay.
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We saw. Actually, I thought it was your friend. I forgot his name.
Varun.
Yeah, I thought it was Varun. So that's why I was like, hi. Then I realized, oh fuck, this was Varun. Yeah, it happens a lot. We correlate to people for someone else, and then we do some card which shouldn't have been.
Do that.
Very big issue. Very small also.
Oh.
Guys, actually I have not brought apron. I want the apron.
Oh shit.
We'll go somewhere here. Hot fully.
Sudhanva is
Hey, hot
appealing for going somewhere.
Why is this man acting?
No shade.
And Vinith is not agreeing with Sudhanva.
Why? What
You
is
go
this?
somewhere indoor and ride peacefully, otherwise you can't ride.
Hey, no.
Don't come.
We have observation.
You wrote,
One full observation, 6 experiments should write.
Six,
Right there only in the lab.
Where? At least you should start something. Okay, what?
What I have to complete, man? You guys have completed record. I haven't completed.
I have to complete one experiment.
Hey, man, for you one, for me 50% have to complete.
What?
it.
How much you wrote experiment?
3.
even I wrote 3.
3.
Still 3 is there, bro.
That one.
Then
was,
how, bro?
And if you stick papers also, that gum will go to lab and take out glue.
Glues with me.
Glue is with me.
So we have to stick.
I have.
This Nigesh has got Xerox alone.
See, these guys,
It's not Xerox.
this guy and this guy, that topi wala guy, both have gum for other purpose. Okay. If you know, you know.
Please do some. Hey, open man. Lab ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಗೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದು.
ಏನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾ ಅಂದೆ
I would like to show Sudhanva Rava Sriram Prating.
Oh, so this Annapurneshwari Mandira, this is Annapurneshwari Mandira, my very favorite place. You know why? Because I used to go to.
Sure, Nigesh dog.
Just a minute.
Hey, this dog, give here.
Hey, wait, bro. This Annapurneshwari temple. Today also I will go to there and do puja there on every Shashti. So it is very nice, auspicious temple. You can also visit. You can go to Google Maps and type Annapurneshwari Temple, Srirampura, Bangalore, 02021.
Hey, give man 1 minute.
Over to Surya BS.
There is an interesting thing going on over here. So this dog This dog is one of the dumbest dog I have seen. So this is Vinith, whom you know personally. So what had happened was one day, some day, I forgot which day, we were playing badminton. Post playing badminton in the campus, we left home. When we left home, we started hearing noises which were very not pleasant from this girl. And then there was a 10 feet, it was 10 feet, right? Roughly. This girl had fallen into a 10 feet hole, pit. And then I tried catching her. She was getting offended, she was getting scared. She was making me get scared.
Even Surya was scared.
Yeah. And then Mr. Vinith came. He was also scared, but then suddenly his
I was not scared.
rapid action movement and
I was not intending to harm the dog.
inhuman characteristic came out, but it was very human. Somehow we made sure that she got out of the dig.
It was very human.
Inhuman activities. It was very human to her, but not for us. ಹಾಕು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಏನು ಸರ್
ಮೇಡಮ್
ಏನು ಮೇಡಮ್
So Mr. Sudanwa does not know how to differentiate between girls and boys. This is his
This
issue.
guy will comment on, I will not respect transgender only.
and do not tell I will not respect.
Hey, he won't respect man.
You don't recognize them, it's a sign that you are not respecting them, okay?
It's like not respecting their choices.
Your girl is moving your pant. Why moving his pant? To move.
It's good.
ಯಾಕೋ ಮೊಸರು ಹಾಕೋದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು
Guys, as a vegetarian, the only protein source I have is milk, curd, paneer. Now I have paneer. ಆಯ್ತು ಪುಳಿಯೋ ಗೊಜ್ಜಾವಲಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ್ಯಾ
ನೇಮ್ ಯುವರ್
Only.
ನೇಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪನೀರಾ
What you told?
ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಂಸ ಅಂತ ಇಡ್ತಾನೋ
As a vegetarian, you told?
As a vegetarian, the only sources I have is
You told the...
hey man, what? Hey, you heard now what I said. It's in the vlog. Go and say. One viewer will get it.
Why is your girl acting like that?
Hey, don't tell my girl. If my girl sees, it will not be nice. Sorry guys, I don't have any girl.
It seems we don't know. Back to you.
Hi Vigal. How do you do?
Surya, now let's act like Mr. Max.
Why do you want to mimic someone when you have your own style, Mr. Sudanwa?
Mr. Max is only
Have
mimicking.
your own...
Bro, the whole characteristic of Mr. Max is mimicking an typical
Politician.
Why do you want to copy his style?
Hello.
Everything is copy of everything. You know that?
I've seen this in the video.
Man, this pav is so bloody damn good.
Nice.
This man
You
very
can try.
crazy cook.
Shout out to Dheeraj's mom. Auntie, you cook very good.
Thank you.
Auntie, but don't see the vlog because your son is very, very bad with
I
surfing.
will also request auntie to train Dheeraj's wife very well so that I can visit his home regularly for meals.
Why Dheeraj's mom will not make you after this?
No. There will be something called as transfer of power of attorney.
What Dheeraj, what is your take on this?
ಇವಾಗ ನೀನ್ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ
You stop.
ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ
ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಾನೆ
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ದಿವಸ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋ ಅವಾಗ
You don't poke me.
ಅವರಮ್ಮ
ನೀನು ಜನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
ಅವರಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು
Someone in my friend circle told me rest is only after death. I don't know who the fuck told it, but I have heard it. So here now something is happening.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಹೋಗ್ ನಕ್ಕನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋ ಲೌಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಲ್
Public public ಅದು.
ಹೋಗ್ ಬೇವಸೆ ಮುಡ ಹೇಯ್ ಲೌಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ ಹೋಗ್
Guys, I can't see the difference. Both are barking.
So this guy.
Our girl, I'm not ready to
So
It's very important to our
this
college.
guy is interrupting the nature.
Hey, her name is Zoya or something. I don't want her to get harmed by this. Bloody-
This guy is
No,
interrupting the
both of them.
nature. It is nature's thing.
Guys, I don't curse very often, but if I start cursing,
Curse he can keep in your mouth, but he is interrupting the nature thing.
hey, because she is not ready.
Nature act it is.
not ready for
Oh,
what?
good.
She
Did
is
she
not
tell you?
ready for intro-
Did she tell?
Her action
she-
speaks louder than
did she
words. Action speaks louder than
It is
words.
between her and him. What about you?
It's between me and her.
Bharat matrimony of the dog.
See guys, this guy is interrupting the nature's act. It is not good.
Surya is the Bharat matrimony.
This is the fundamental cause of global warming. If you guys think in a
Hey,
good way,
you, yeah, you know.
I will give you a brief introduction in my YouTube channel. Come to my channel, I will tell you.
Hey.
No, there. Without any videos, he has around 6 subscribers.
52 subscribers.
52 subscribers.
52. How the hell?
Once I had uploaded a video and I made it private now.
Guys, the videos are like the most radioactive place in India. The most dangerous people of South India. Something like that. Videos were like
Background like that. Please show the broom in the log.
No, no. Apache is
ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ
No, we are about to close the vlog.
ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ
Tadka. It is tadka.
ಜಾಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಮೊಸರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ
So basically,
ಗೊಜ್ಜೋಲಕ್ಕಿ ಇಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಸ್ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಡಿಶ್
no,
eat gojolaki.
no. Mosra avlaki.
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ
Avlaki.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಗೊಜ್ಜೋಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೊಸರು
Basically, all types of avlakis are Krishna's favorite. So that's the thing.
So guys, I don't want unwanted silence in my vlog. And this boy is initiating silence without any reason. Mr. Vin Sudanma.
Win Sudanma. So my name is Win Sudanma, which means winning. Just like Victory Venkatesh.
Because he is the brand ambassador of One Win Bet.
No betting promotions
I've
here.
seen a person just like him somewhere else. So
Yeah.
I guess Mr. Vinit did it yesterday.
No. You're diverting the vlog's intent. Please don't do that.
Guys, I'm trying to keep it uncut, fully raw, how I talk.
Uncut, fully raw is different from deliberately putting some curse words, deliberately putting.
Wouldn't I have asked him every day? I almost ask him every 2 days. Won't I ask you, man? And then is it like deliberately putting it in the vlog or is it
You are
natural?
deliberated to ask me that question.
Every day I ask you, no? What is deliberately putting it in the
You
vlog?
are deliberately asking me only that question. He's not asking others that
Because he
question.
does not have only his butani.
So this showcases the split personality, gaslighting and hate monging issues.
So we need using all the Gen Z terms. Trying to be Gen Z.
Guys, I'm not trying to be Gen Z. I'm trying to be.
So from that time, I'm panning my camera from left to right, right to left. This is called panning. It is widely used when two main persons are contradictorily talking to each other, and both are the main subject of the video.
vlog.
Here
Actually,
it is
highest
vlog.
priority, highest main people of the vlog are Sudanma and Dheeraj because they are in the frame always.
Because we are the camera people, we hold camera. I'm not in that, I'm cameraman. Because cameraman shoots, I'm not shooting. I'm just, I'm just focusing the man I'm trying to do. Because cameraman keeps on changing, all those things are there. Yeah.
So it's 44 minutes and 10 seconds.
So in the next 30-40 seconds, we'll wind up this session.
So today we couldn't bring many people into the vlog. Actually there was no one. We got Venkatesh uncle and Bedpuri uncle.
As I told you earlier, today we have full day till 4:20. So we are not able to vlog.
I don't think
We are vlogging in the lunch time. Yeah.
you won't take the last class, right?
Interestingly, our lunch time is of 45 minutes, and we have shooted all 45 minutes of our lunch time today, which is quite
Interesting.
yes, it is.
And it shows our intent. So guys,
Sabakapara is us. Yeah, thank you very much. See you soon.
Perfect 45 episode.
Yeah.